You have waited indeed patiently for the traditional white coat ceremony, and soon you will engage in another tradition in the recitation of the Hippocratic Oath. We will introduce you to yet another tradition, and that is the Oath to Self-Care and Well-Being. The Hippocratic Oath is timeless and names our duty to our patients and their families. However, our healthcare system, as you already have had a brief glimpse of, is different. And in addition to our altruistic care for our patients, it calls for a partnership between the self to be able to provide the best care to our patients, advocate for them and our vocation, and most importantly, for each of us to thrive as we do that. Our system calls on us to be resilient, which can only happen if we take care of ourselves and take care of each other. So as you don your white coat each day and pledge the Hippocratic Oath, please do think of a way that you are continuing to take care of yourselves and your colleagues. I would like to invite you and any other physicians within the audience to repeat the Oath to Self-Care and Well-Being together. It's at the back of the program. We solemnly pledge to embrace and promote the well-being of ourselves, our colleagues, and the medical community as part of our responsibility to the effective care of our patients, ourselves, and in partnership with our healthcare organization. We will seek to develop and adhere to habits that promote and maintain humility, meaning, and wholeness of self in our work and interactions. We will be attuned to the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual needs of ourselves and others, and share our practices of well-being for the benefits of our patients, our colleagues, and the advancement of healthcare. We will commit to the integration and balance in our professional and personal life, and seek help when we feel we ourselves or our peers overburdened, fatigued, or less compassionate. We will advocate for a healthcare system that values the well-being of its personnel and recognizing that in so promoting, the patients we care for are ultimately best served. We will find the courage to be vulnerable and confront to the best of our ability, while at the same time showing compassion and respect for all members of the healthcare team. I make these promises of well-being to myself and to the vocation of medicine with my highest commitment. Thank you.